Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to write a professional LinkedIn headline in 2026. Your LinkedIn headline is one of the first things people see when they visit your profile, so a strong headline can help you attract recruiters, grow your network, and create a great first impression. Let's get started. First, sign in to your LinkedIn account and click on your asterisk profile picture ***, then select ***view profile ***. On your profile page, click the *edit ** icon near the top of your profile. In the edit window, you'll find the headline ** field. This is where you can describe who you are and what you do. Instead of writing only your job title, create a headline that highlights your expertise, industry, and the value you provide. For example, instead of simply writing software engineer *, you could write software engineer full stack developer JavaScript, React, and Node. JS enthusiast ***. If you're a student, you could write computer science student web developer, passionate about AI and software development ***. Keep your headline clear, professional, and relevant to your career goals. Include important keywords related to your profession because recruiters often search for candidates using specific skills and job titles. This can help your profile appear in more search results. Avoid using unnecessary symbols, emojis, or long promotional phrases. Your headline should be easy to read and accurately represent your professional identity. Also, make sure it matches the information in the rest of your profile. After you've written your headline, review it for spelling and grammar mistakes. Once you're satisfied, click *save ***. Your new headline will immediately appear below your name and will be visible across LinkedIn whenever you comment, post, or appear in search results. You can always update your headline as your career grows, you gain new skills, or you change jobs. Keeping it current helps your profile stay relevant and professional, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to write a professional LinkedIn headline in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more LinkedIn tutorials and career tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.